Apple's new iPhone 16e presents itself as an affordable version of the iPhone 16 with a lower $599 price tag, but that lower cost comes with some trade-offs. If you're upgrading from an iPhone 14 Pro, the question is the 16e an upgrade or a downgrade? Let's compare the two and dive into the biggest differences, displays and cameras. Overall, the iPhone 16e has some solid advantages. It has Apple Intelligence support thanks to its updated chip and RAM, lighter design for better portability, the new action button for customization, better battery life than the 14 Pro, and USB-C charging for universal compatibility. However, there are a few clear downgrades. It has no MagSafe support, no ultra-wideband chip for precise location tracking. Here, the iPhone 14 Pro is the clear winner. When it comes to display quality, the iPhone 14 Pro beats or matches the 16e in every key area. Dynamic Island, 120Hz Pro Motion, and always-on display, all exclusive to the 14 Pro. Higher screen brightness, making it better for outdoor use. The iPhone 14 Pro's triple camera system is more versatile than the single camera setup on the iPhone 16e. However, the 16e does have two minor camera advantages: lower aperture on the main camera for better low-light performance, and new audio mix and wind noise reduction features for video. Still, the iPhone 14 Pro offers better overall camera quality with its dedicated telephoto and ultra-wide lenses. If you're using an iPhone 14 Pro, the iPhone 16e is a downgrade in most areas. Instead, consider the refurbished iPhone 15 Pro. Same price, keeps all the Pro features, or the iPhone 16 or 16 Pro if you want a true upgrade. And that said, if the 16e has everything you care about, it's still a solid budget-friendly option. So, are you upgrading from an iPhone 14 Pro to the iPhone 16e? Let us know in the comments.